This is Bill and Deb North of the Florida Weekend Warriors, and in this video we are headed to a Love's RV stop in Cordele, Georgia. We've never been to one of those things before. It's right on the way to where we're going, so we figured we'd try it out. It's a little pricey. It was $77 with all the taxes and fees. That was with a Good Sam discount. So we thought that was on the high side. We got a pull through, so we didn't have to unhook. So we'll see you there. It should be about a 4-hour drive from where we're at. We're at Paynes Prairie State Park. It's really a super cool park. I mean, you can see how heavily wooded it is. It's really an underrated park. It's on a dry lake bed that was, the water went back into the ground maybe 100 years ago, and it made a prairie, and there's bison and wild horses on the property. So it's a really cool park. And we also went to the swamp last night, the Swamp Brewery. When traveling north on I-75, it's the first exit into Gainesville. It's about a half mile from the interstate exit. Just don't have too many big nose IPAs. It's in an industrial park, but it's on a beautiful lake with these beautiful cypress trees surrounding the lake. It's super cool. So we highly recommend it. So we'll see you at the Love's truck stop, RV stop. We'll see you there. See ya.
See ya.
Ice. I don't know how you buy the ice.
I have to go out and do it.
There's like someone in there. Yeah. Now you turn on the fire pit. There it is. Which way we pull in? I guess this way. So we arrived. We're in site number 37, and these are pull through, and you can see it's all gravel and super long pad. But to be honest, I'd rather have one of the sites over here where you just unhook and park your tote in the front, because they have a little fire pit and a little covered picnic area, and they're actually like $10 cheaper. I had to use an extra long water hose because I was about 4 feet short, and to turn on the electric you have to check in. So they send you an email that you just click the link and it checks you in. And then the power was on after I did that. Then here's the water. What do you think, Deb? There's the sewer. I didn't even bother. We'll dump in another spot. Just stay in one night. Not many people are here, but there's supposed to be another 10 or 12 coming in tonight, according to the app. But there's pickleball courts. These are super nice over here. Get grass. This is number 10. And they sell firewood in the office. There's a guy like sitting in there. I don't know what he does all day. Let's play on his phone. Let's go check out the pickleball and the splash pad. It's the pickleball courts. Picnic pavilion. There's a gas grill over here. 6 a.m. to 12 a.m. Only in the mornings? Let's check this out. A little soggy. Ooh, looking a little rough. It's definitely been used. Man, it's nasty. There's just mold and crap all over it. And the tank's empty. No gas.
Thought that counts.
Yeah. I wonder if somebody just left it here. Oh, man. Can we turn on the splash pad? 9 to 8 p.m. How do you turn it on? Do you see a switch? Oh, and the dog park's over that way. Water everywhere. Well, there's the dog thing. I don't feel like getting wet. I'm gonna go and see if I can turn on the splash pad. I don't see a valve. There's something in here. You'd think they would have made this a little more secure. Their plastic shed, old cans of paint. I don't know. I don't know if you press a button and it comes on. Not sure how it turns on. There's controls in there, but I can't tell if you're supposed to be pressing it or you got to go get somebody from the office. Go check out the office. There's also a dog washing station that you pay for, but it's outside the gate. So people at Love's can use it also. Here's where we can check in. Enter the gate code. Got restrooms, showers. It says open. Just a toilet. It's not a shower. Just a toilet. Here's the laundry room. It's $3. Guess ice. Well, there's the prices. I guess there's no showers here. There's just a.
Maybe on the other side.
I don't know.
It's gotta be on the other side.
Electricity for some reason. Here we go. Shower. Get your turn. There you go.
They're very nice.
Yeah?
You would think they'd put a toilet in here though.
You would think so. And there's a handicap thing. If you need to sit down in front of the shower, then a place to sit and put your clothes on. It's air conditioned. Place to hang your towels. Not bad. What's over here?
Get that sign. It's a better sign than me driving in.
Really? It's zero. It's 99 cents today. It's raining, so the firewood's only 99 cents. Ice, 2 for $5.55. So here's a community fire pit. Not sure how you turn it on. Got some blown over chairs. Must have had a lot of wind here. I don't see. It's push to open. Huh, it's a fire magic. I guess we can turn it on. shoot. Well, I smelled the gas, but the clicker's not working to ignite it. So we'll let someone else light it.
What is that?
We'll come over
Right
here.
over there.
I don't know. Fire pit. Breaker inside for fire pit. Emergency stop. 6 a.m. to 12 a.m. I don't know. I couldn't get it to work, but I could smell the gas. So what do you think, Deb? Would you stay here at the Love Stop again?
Yes.
Yeah, just a little expensive. That's my only thing. It's not bad. We'll
We
find
were
out.
ready to stop.
Yeah, we were ready to stop anyways. But it's very clean. It's very nice, and this is one of the best ones they have. So we'll find out tonight because there's a lot of train noise during the day. So we'll figure it out in the morning.
I think you'll need a sound machine.
You might need one. So we hope you like this. Good morning. We slept fairly well last night. The trains, there was a lot of trains, so you definitely need a sound machine. And we wish we would have booked one of the non-pull-through sites, the back-end sites. They're way more level and they're nicer, way nicer. But if your rig won't fit, these pull-throughs are fine. I think on the way back to Florida, we're going to stop at the Georgia Veterans State Park. I think that's probably a lot better value. It's only 8 miles from here, and it's right on a lake. So I went ahead and I already booked a waterfront site. So we would come back here, but in a pinch. And the nice thing about here is you can just book at the last minute. A huge London Air pulled in last night after we went to bed, and we didn't even hear them. And they're right next to us. So we hope you liked this video. Give us a thumbs up, leave us a comment, subscribe to our channel, Florida Weekend Warriors, and we will see you on our next adventure. See you.